Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, I am playing the Super Mario Maker 3D version. Now, to be honest with you, I absolutely love this level. I think it is really amazing. The detail is incredible. I mean, look at this. Look at the, whoa, the graphics. Now, something I don't want to do you don't want to fall down that hole, so what I'm going to do is create something a little different to jump on. How is everyone, by the way? I hope you're well. Now you're probably thinking to yourselves, why am I creating this? Well, to be honest with you, Super Mario Maker, it's all about imagination. So if you can dream it up, you can make it. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can jump to this. Yes, I can. Beautiful. Okay, what else do you think I should create here? Alright, I'm going to put a pipe right there. And I might even put a turtle in this pipe. As I said, everybody, one thing about this game that I love is you are able to really use your imagination. It's a great game to play. Especially if you're like me and you're very creative. So this video will be called Super Mario Maker 3D. Okay, this was a mistake because now I can't get up here. Lower this. Put you in there, Yertle the turtle. Let's try that again. God, that's fun. Oh, no way. We are going to end up with multiple turtles. So what I'm going to have to do is just keep hitting them. Like I said, everyone, the one thing I really love most about this game is you're able to use your imagination. See, some of the other levels, like some of the other games that you play, you're not able to really use your imagination. Okay, that's a bit too long, so I'm gonna have to make this just a bit longer. Because let's face it, Mario's got to have a chance. Alright, let's go again. Now, like I said, everybody, you can really have a lot of fun with these games. Like, it's limitless what you can achieve. Let me know in the comments section if you guys play these kind of games. And I'm gearing this specifically towards my audience. So the guys and girls that play the games that I play, let me know what you think of this level. Like I said, it's just it's a knockabout sort of level, so it was just something that I just knocked up. Alright, let's try that again. I actually like it, I really do. It is so good. Okay, so what I'm going to need now, I am going to need a turtle. Alright, let's go again. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take Mario and we're going to go into a different level. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put some coins here. So that way Mario's got a bit of a selection to what he chooses. Alright, I must admit that's rather fun. It's such an awesome game, this one. Okay everyone, so what I'm going to do is try and go back to the level that I was at. Alright, so let's take her for a test drive. Come on, Mario. Alright everyone, so that works well. Whoa. Alright everybody, well if you got value out of this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit the like button. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye everybody.